Good morning, dear traders. This is Ahmed Mamdouh, financial markets analyst at FXGate. Today we are going to have a deep look at the economic calendar for Friday, January 3. As we can notice, the day will start with the release of low relevance data from the euro area, which may not affect the movements of the euro. In the UK, the most important will be the release of markets construction PMI for the month of December, which may show a widening contraction to 44.7 compared to 45.3 recorded in November. In the United States, the US will release its ISM manufacturing PMI for the month of December. The data may show slight improvement to 48.3 in December from 48.1 in November, but the reading would still mark contraction. Finally, and the most important, will be the FOMC minutes, which was supposed to be released on Wednesday but was delayed due to the New Year holiday. The minutes of December's meeting could be of great importance to investors, as it may show the direction inside the Fed's board regarding inflation, which may eventually shape the Fed's interest rate decisions over the course of 2020. Many analysts do believe that the Fed would keep interest rates on hold over the course of 2020, while others believe that interest rates could go either way. The Fed may raise or cut interest rates depending on the status of the US economy, more specifically the impact of the trade war on the US economy. The FOMC minutes could affect the movements of the US dollar, which traded near its lowest level since the end of June 2019 on Thursday. Now the dollar is trying to avoid another weekly loss after it finished last week on a decline. Thank you. Goodbye.